now, ngayon, yung magnitude ngayon is around 10.2 magnitude dito sa parto natin. Why? Because towards sa Mother Earth, ito yung tinatawag natin na climate change. Ito, nakikita nyo na yung curvature ng land, so pataas na. Yung magnitude ng earthquake. Now, pumasok na yung linya sa heavenly nature, ay heavenly magnitude. It has reached 100.2 magnitude.
Oh my God.
And it's so dangerous because it can ruin the mother nature.
No way.
It can reach the core of the earth and then the earth will kaboom.
No way.
And then now the sun is called the red dwarf. So, first, we call this Pangea. Everything is like, in earth, we only have one island. And because of the meteor, kaboom! The earth was hit by a massive meteor. Now, the
Then
Pangea...
the dinosaurs die?
Yeah, tapos yung Pangea ay wala na, nag-spread na yung world. Tapos yung Pilipinas naman ay halin sa Andelbuta. It was created by the volcanoes. Now, pumalapit yung China, ay yung Philippines.
Oh, nice.
Pilipinas was now created. And that's why Philippines is near to the Pacific Ocean and near to the Mariana Trench. Because Mariana Trench was used to be a volcano.
Wow. I did not
It's now
know.
gone because the water is wet and then the water is going inside the core. And then the core is pouring lava. And then the lava is going so wild, and now there are trash inside the Mariana Trench. And now you can see that the blackboard is broken.
This is white.
Whiteboard. Do you know why it's broken?
Why?
I don't know. But I know that the blackboard is broken.
Oh my gosh.
And now this is bad for our mother nature.
No way.
BBM, if you know this, please help us. Life is hard. No matter how hard is life, do not use drugs.
BBM to Duterte?
No. I am just telling students,
Yes.
my beloved students, please listen carefully. I am warning you that I am not kidding about this. This is called the end of beginning.
No way.
And when I'm back to Chicago, I feel it. Right?
Steven.
Stop na.